Hi, and welcome to my channel. Cardinal Health is hiring, and I'm going to tell you about a few positions that you may just be interested in. Let's get into it. The first position we're looking at is coordinator for individualized care. What individualized care contributes to Cardinal Health? Well, delivering an exclusive model that fully integrates direct drug distribution to site of care with non commercial pharmacy services, patient access support, and financial programs. So, what is expected of you at this level? Well, here's the following: applies acquired job skills and company policies and procedures to complete standard tasks, works on routine assignments that require basic problem resolution, refers to policies and past practices for guidance, receives general direction on standard work, receives detailed instruction on new assignments, and consults with supervisor or senior peers on complex and unusual problems. Let's scroll down to the responsibilities. Responsible for handling inbound calls with ability to determine needs and provide one call resolution. Manage workload of inbound faxes, investigate and resolve patient physician inquiries and concerns in a timely manner. Enter detailed information into company proprietary software while conserving or conversing via telephone. Place outbound phone calls for patient follow ups, confirmations, or to obtain missing information. Interact with the patient referral sources to process new applicants. Follow up with other internal team members regarding next steps. Communicate with external constituents, including physicians' offices and pharmacies. Ability to identify, document, and submit adverse events during customer contact or via received documentation. Now, the qualifications: minimum high school diploma or GED, certified pharmacy technician preferred, not required. 1+ years experience in fast paced call center environment preferred, not required. Basic computer knowledge, Microsoft products, strong communication, customer service skills, ability to be an independent worker and self directed, ability to sit for long periods of time, demonstrate superior customer service talents, ability to prioritize multiple concurrent assignments and work with a sense of urgency, an ability to work any schedule between 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Let's scroll down. Training and work schedule. Your new hire training will take place 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mandatory on-camera attendance is required. This position is full-time. Employees are required to have flexibility to work any of our shift schedules during our normal business hours, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. You will work remotely full-time. It will require a dedicated, quiet, private, distraction-free environment with access to high-speed internet. Well, yes, that's all. Anticipated hourly range: $18.10 per hour to $25.80 per hour. Bonus eligible? No. Here's the list of benefits that you are entitled to with this position. The next position we're looking at is patient navigator. And the patient navigator performs case management, supporting patient access to therapy in accordance with the program business rules. This position is responsible for guiding the patient and healthcare provider through the various process steps of their patient journey to therapy. These steps include relaying benefit information to both patient and healthcare providers, conducting patient welcome calls and follow-up calls to assist patients, patient caregivers, and healthcare providers, as well as to assist with any prior authorizations or appeals to facilitate coverage and dispense of product in a timely manner. What individualized care contributes to Cardinal Health? Clinical operations is responsible for providing clinical specialties, support, and expertise in the areas of advice and consulting, research, and patient care to internal business units and external customers. Let's look at the qualifications. 0 to 2 years of experience preferred, not required. A BA or BS or equivalent experience in related field preferred, not required. Previous social work experience is preferred, not required. And I'm not going to read this whole list, but I will pause so you can. But I will say this: This position has no basic requirements. So it's entry level, they're willing to train you, and I think it's a win-win. So let's scroll down. Responsibilities: deliver virtual and telephonic education support to identified patients, caregivers, healthcare professionals, and their staff. Be a champion for each patient and consented care partner. Answer inbound inquiries of patients. Act as a primary point of contact. Understand the patient's support needs. Establish an ongoing relationship. Provide support and guidance. Experience in supporting time-sensitive requests. Investigate and resolve patient / healthcare provider inquiries. Work closely with patients, patient caregivers, healthcare providers. Responsible for meeting the newly identified patient caregivers, healthcare providers. Patient navigators work closely with the case managers, support healthcare providers, exhibit effective communication, be proactive with follow-up, converse with callers, act as the patient and healthcare provider's single point of contact, possess effective organizational skills, submit all adverse event reports to manufacturer and third-party vendors, provide identification, intake, documentation, and submission of all reported product complaints, responsible for maintaining HIPAA guidelines, must adhere to strict guidelines, concurrently handle multiple outstanding issues, be able to multitask. What is expected of you at this level: applies basic concepts, works on projects, follows established procedures, works under direct supervision, develops competence by performing structured work assignments. New hire training will take place between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central. This position is full time. Employees work Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central. It's a remote position. You must have a quiet workspace and adequate internet. This position pays between $26.20 per hour to $37.40 per hour. And here's a list of the benefits available for this position. This application window is anticipated to close October 27, 2024.